Bones, Fraser. Start singing. Get something sung. Sing something decent. And don't be running at that donut shop after hours when the pub shuts. You know I'll be scoffing all the donuts.
Aye, it's alright, Malky. I'm going to sing, son. It's no bother, son. Honest. Is that Mike or any sons at one? No, this wee band behind me here, you can't see them, but they're joined by the Fentones here. It's a great wee band that used to be in Craignick there. There's 3 brothers. There's Peter, John and Terry. Aye, this is a special request, and it goes out to my cousin in Coventry. His name's Katzik. Well, that's his nickname. His name's Pat Carlin. But, and this wee lassie here with the peach, that just reminds me, she's a wee Georgia peach.
Oh, Fraser, go on with it.
Aye, alright, son. But I just wanted to say, before I sing this song, it was written by 2 unknown students, and they missed their hometown in Georgia, and they were students at college, and they wrote this song. Okay, boys, take it away, son, take it away. Sweet Georgia, oh Georgia, no, 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 no peace of mind. That old sweet song is Georgia on my mind. I said Georgia, oh sweet Georgia, no, no peace of mind. That old sweet song is Georgia, yes, Georgia on my mind. Thanks to Alex Sheen for playing the drums. Thank you, son. That's me done, son. I'm just going to thank the Fentones for a fabulous performance. No, I'm not singing. I don't care about your donuts. I'm not singing the chorus. I don't like the chorus of that song. Oh, Cockeye, oh, for God's sakes, where the hell am I? This is kind of spooky. What's going on here? This is a scary spot here. What have I done? I fell asleep. I remember drinking a whole bottle of Buckfast. That's the last thing I remember.
You don't... I was at the karaoke with you, Fraser. Don't you remember that? You sang Georgia on my mind. You don't remember that?
Oh, what the hell, Sammy? You scared the living daylights out of me, son. What in the name of God are we doing here, son? Are you still alive? Am I still dreaming? Am I dreaming, son, or are we still alive?
You're still alive, Fraser. We're alright, son. Just a wee bit too much Buckfast. We're still alive. Give us another wee song, son. Give us a wee song. For God's sake, give us a wee song.
No, no more singing tonight, Sammy. I'm not singing another song, son. You scared the living daylights out of me, man. Looks like you crawled out from under one of the gravestones. I'll leave the singing to the experts, and I'll leave quite the Buckfast.
Aye, you're not going to see any experts in this graveyard, Fraser. I don't see anybody. Do you see anybody, son? Oh, give us a wee song, son. Give us a wee song.
Where the hell's that? That's that Timmy the tool sharpener. People have seen him before. He's a ghost. He's a ghost. He's a ghost, Sammy. What are we going to do, Sammy? It's only idiots that see him. It's only stupid idiots that can see him. We must be stupid, son.
Why, you pair of idiots standing in this graveyard. You stupid clowns. I got a phone call. My dad's the caretaker. The cops are out at the gate. Even they're scared to come in. You pair of daft bastards. Come on, get out of here.
Teresa, thank God you showed up, hen. I'm stuck here with Sammy the Ghoul and Timmy the Tool Sharpener. I'm so glad you showed up, hen, along with Michael Jackson. That's the best thing that's ever happened to me, honest, hen.
No, I don't see any Michael Jackson, Fraser. Can you see him, Teresa? If I could see Michael Jackson, I'd ask him to sing. I wouldn't ask you, Fraser. Give a wee song, son. Give a wee song.
Listen now, can you not hear that music? For God's sake. Teresa, Sammy, I'm ready for running. I've only got a couple of hairs in the back of my neck, and they're standing straight out. I'm ready for skedaddling.
Fraser, get back here. You stupid bastards.
Fraser is ready, Teresa. There's Michael Jackson. I tell you, you stupid idiots, let's get the hell out of this place.